What's going on, everybody? This is Jaden with How to Apple, and today I wanted to do my vlog. However, I found out that my camera that I had, the Sony AX33 I think it is, it cannot record in 4K 60 frames per second. It only does 30 frames per second, and I'm trying to make it 60 frames. So I went and took that back and found out from one of my friends that the Hero 6 just came out for GoPro, and they have this new drone, the Karma, that comes with the Hero 6 and all that stuff like that. And I'm thinking about using this as my vlogging setup whenever I do my vlogs. So I'm gonna unbox this for y'all and show y'all what comes in it, and we'll get into it. Alright, so let's get into this. Man, this is beautiful. It's already ripped. Anyway, I got this from Best Buy. So I'm gonna carefully take this off. Make it a little sexy for y'all. Ooh. Ooh. So this is a nice, nice little case it comes with. As you can see, it's like a backpack. Throw that under there. It's like a backpack. It's pretty cool. All right, so flip this around. And let's get this off. All right, so I pulled that off. So let's open this baby up. Oh, yo, this is beautiful. Bruh, this is beautiful. All right, so first of all, you know what? Let's just get to the real meat. I mean, my Lord, take all the rest of the stuff off. You got to go ahead and get real. Oh, that's amazing. It looks really good. Oops. Okay. Well, go ahead and take those off. So this is the drone. Oh. There's the GoPro on the bottom. I guess it's comes already with it. The little arm that it has up there keeps it stable. So, oh, that's amazing. It looks really good. It's pretty heavy too. Feels pretty good. All right, and as you can see, I don't know if you can see all the way over here, but it comes with a nice padding on the top. So that's good for protection. I don't even want to put this on the table, so I'm gonna pack it back up. Of course, you have some instruction stuff. I don't know what this is. This is literally my first GoPro Karma anything product I've purchased, so I'm new to all this. I'm used to seeing Apple stickers, but okay. This isn't Apple. I know. Oh man, I don't know how to put this thing back in. I don't want to tear nothing up. Okay, so we have, of course, you have the power for it. I guess this is to charge it. Like I said, I am a mad newbie, but anyway, there you go. I'm gonna put stuff back as I take it out because I'm just weird like that. All right, so y'all gonna be laughing at me this video. Anyway, is what it is. Then we have the, I think this is the remote control. Oh, wow. Beautiful. I'm in that stage where you don't even want to take any of the wrapping off. Let's see. Oh. I'm about to clean all this stuff up later. Hopefully they don't report me. All right, so there is the remote control. Got that little baby. Looks good. It feels pretty. Feels like a, I don't know. Feels good actually. It's not like an Xbox controller. I guess it's almost the same size as an Xbox controller. A little thicker, obviously, as far as everything else, but it closes like that. So Next, I have this. I don't know what it is, so I'm gonna open it. Oh, these are the different camera stands, the connections that you can do. There's a USB cable in there. Different, like a casing almost. So that's that. Some more instruction manuals, I'm assuming. What is this? Oh, these are the propellers. So that's that. I don't really want to open, well, I guess I will. YouTube for life. Oh yeah, these are the propellers. So that's pretty cool. My issue is I wonder how loud this thing is going to be, so I think we're going to find out. I bought a separate recorder for audio, and actually I'm using that right now, so I'm going to test that out when I get home. Got the drone, and then we have what looks like a selfie, whatever this is, a vlogging stand or whatever, so you can hold it and put the camera on top and record that way. It feels really good. I think I'm gonna be happy with this. I like it a lot. It was $850, like I said, normally $900, but they are on sale today. I don't know how long that sale lasts, but you might as well go get it if you see this video today. For all my loyal subscribers out there, you know what I mean? All 40 something of at the time of the recording of this video. So anyway, so that's that. That's the recording, and be right back. All right, so that's the unboxing, and hope you liked it. I'm going to go ahead and open this thing up and maybe try to set it up and get it all, situated, so I can go ahead and get some shots from it, and I'll try to add them on to the end of this video. Let's get into that. Well guys, as you saw, the drone is dead completely. I did just pull it out of the box. So I'm gonna go home and charge it up, and then I will see if I can get some footage for y'all, maybe in the next vlog, but I will give y'all the footage as you deserve. So hit my channel with a subscribe and give this video a like. Also, share it out for anybody that's wanting to, see what it comes with or whatever. Anyway, I'm gonna head out. I'll see y'all later on the flip side. Deuces.